Because he left his alarm on. He left his smoke detector on, and it just kept beeping and set off the building.
It's going off in there too. That part's going off right there. Look at that.
Yeah, it's going on all off. It's going off all on the building.
You can barely see it. I'm just taking a video of this. Jesus. Oh, hey. No. I don't know, stranger maybe? Like I didn't.
You should have seen when we first got into this building. You remember that, right?
Yeah.
Now, like 1 year,
Stop
we were
barking.
setting up every other night.
It's just the kids.
Get that dog!
The fuck? Where's the fire people, man?
Oh, there's gonna be a lot.
Johnny, bro, put it on purpose.
What happened?
Johnny was burning trash.
Who the fuck burns
You did it on
trash?
purpose. Great.
It was Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny.
I gotta go. You wanna come over, Rylan? Did the alarm didn't scare me at all?
Yeah.
I knew for a fact this would happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today?
Oh, I didn't know today, but I know for a fact sometime it would go off. I was just talking. No, I was talking to Rylan. Do you have your phone?